Hi, I'm Terry Griffith. I'm a CPA in Southaven, Mississippi. We've been in business for 25 years, and I want to go over a few things on how to choose a tax preparer. First of all, does your tax preparer have any qualifications? Do they have a college degree? What sort of educational background do they have? Do they have any credentials? Are they a CPA, certified public accountant, enrolled agent? Have they had any tax preparation experience? And then how long have they been doing tax preparation? How long have they been in that business? I would ask, is this a year-round business? You know, the IRS is in business year-round, so I think it's important that you have a tax preparer who's in business year-round, not just a few months out of the year. Is your preparer up to date? If you see a preparer still preparing returns by hand, then I would move to somebody who uses a computer, because we're now in the computer age. And no technology means basically that they're not up to date. Can the preparer represent you at an audit without you being there? What that says is they have credentials with the IRS, and that they can help you if you need help. And many times we represent taxpayers and the taxpayer is not present. They give us power of attorney and we represent them. Do you really want to give this tax preparer your Social Security number? There are some firms that advertise that you'll see outrageous advertisements, and the question I always have is, would you really want to give them your Social Security number? We're going to have that in order to do your tax return, so you want to make sure that they're trustworthy. Is your preparer looking for a long-term relationship, or are they just looking to do your return this year, grab your money and leave town? That's something to think about. I'd also advise you not to get a refund anticipation loan. That preparer, whoever does that, is charging you an exorbitant amount of interest so you can get your money a couple of weeks earlier. Typically, you can have most refunds within 2 weeks or less, maybe 10 days to 2 weeks. So you shouldn't have to pay extra to get that. And that's what a refund anticipation loan is, and I recommend you stay away from those. Will a preparer meet with you and talk with you? Will they make an appointment to sit down with you? Do they value your time? We try to make appointments with our clients. We go face-to-face. We also return phone calls. We try to return all our phone calls within 24 hours. There's some exceptions to that, but generally that's the case. And that just tells you that they're interested in your business and, again, a long-term relationship. Does the preparer provide any helps for you, like an organizer or brochures or information? When you have a question, can you call your preparer without being charged? Typically we answer questions throughout tax season, throughout the year, and they typically only take a minute or two, and we answer those without any additional charge to our clients. Does the preparer have an engagement letter? I think that's important, which spells out exactly what the preparer is going to be responsible for, what you're responsible for. You know, this is a contract, and so that needs to be in writing in front of you. Do they have a privacy policy? I think that's really important. We take a lot of time, effort, and money to protect the privacy of our clients, and I think that's very, very important. You should ask about that, okay? And then when your tax preparation is done, does your tax preparer talk about next year and kind of plan a little bit for next year so that you don't get caught short next year? And does your tax preparer educate you on the tax law throughout the year? We send brochures to our clients throughout the year, newsletters, and so that we try to educate our clients along the way. The preparer should give you a copy of your completed tax return when the return is completed. That's a requirement by the IRS, and if that doesn't happen, then you know you've got perhaps a problem. And then, how are you charged for your preparer services? We will tell you up front what we expect your tax preparation to cost. We do it based on the forms that are used to prepare your return, but we will talk with you up front and give you an idea of what you should expect as far as a fee is concerned. Now, there's also some other things that we need to talk about, but I think we'll do that in a different segment. I'm Terry Griffith, and I'm with the Griffith CPA Firm in Southaven, Mississippi. Thank you.